Hello people, welcome to this video where we are going to discuss HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, which is used to develop web applications. So, what are we going to see? We are going to see how to create a simple web page using HTML. Now, in HTML, when we create HTML documents, we use tags or what we call as markups. So there are two kinds of tag. There is a container tag and there is an empty tag. Container tags can contain further tags or elements, and empty tags do not contain any other element, but they are further used for formatting HTML document. So are these tags created? They are created using angular braces, also known as markups. So this is a syntax for a tag. Right. So along with tag, you can also provide additional information. Those are known as attributes. They can be used to stylize or format elements inside the tag or provide additional behavior to the elements inside the tag. So what we are going to see, we are going to create an HTML page. Right. So even though HTML is not case sensitive, it is recommended to follow case sensitive as convention to make markup more readable. Right. So what we are going to do, see, you can use any editor. We can use we can use any editor for creating HTML pages. Now, how do we do this? In HTML, the structure of HTML page, uh, it contains of HTML tag. That is the root tag for all HTML documents. So we create HTML tag. Now there are two editions of HTML, HTML4 and HTML5. For HTML5, we use doctype. Right now, I'm not putting doctype. I'm just providing the basic structure that needs to be followed. So this is the root tag for all HTML documents. So as I told you, HTML isn't case sensitive, but it is recommended to make it more readable. What you can do, you can use for tags, you can use capital case. Right. So inside this HTML tags, there are further other tags like there is head tag that contains all the heading information like title, right? Like style. Style is one tag you can put there. Script tag you can put there. There is a base tag you can put there. Link tag you can put there if you want to reference an external style sheet. So why we put this? Whatever we put inside the head tag, all these are loaded before the body tag. What is body tag? Body tag contains the content that will be displayed over the page. So head tag contains the head data regarding document like title, style, script and other meta information. So this head is loaded before the body. So there is a title tag. So if you put something inside the title tag, this will be visible on the browser title bar. Right. Like I write here home page. Right. So this I have created a simple HTML page that has a title. If you want to see this, what you can do, you can save this as HTML document. Save it in a separate folder or anywhere where you can access this. Like I'm creating an HTML demo page. Right, so I'm saving it as home.html. Ensure that the extension that you are providing to document is .html. You can use double quotes, enclose the name, otherwise it will get converted to txt, or you can use all files. So save this. So You can open this with any browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome. So if you see, whatever we have written in title is visible here on the title bar. So that is the title page. It is the title of the document. What are the other tags that we can put there? There is a base tag. Base tag contains information regarding base location of resources. Now your HTML can contain resources. Now what do we mean by resources over a web page? Like can be an image or video or audio file. So you might like to keep all the resources at a single location. That helps us to easily access them and provide it as a base location for all the resources. For this we use the base tag. So how do we put the base tag? We put base href equal to. So we have to mention the location wherever resource. For example, if I mention C drive, let me say D drive inside HTML demo, or you can use any other folder. Right now, let me say I create HTML images. Right. So this becomes my base tag. Now, if you see here, this is an empty tag. Right, we closed it here. If we close it this way, this one is an empty tag. Right. So I will save this. Right. And how I can, what I can do, what I can do now, I have a, what I can do now, I have a folder, I have created a folder that has a image inside it, and inside my document, HTML images. So where am I supposed to keep the contents? I am supposed to keep the content inside body tag. So inside body tag, to display an image, we have an img tag, image tag, where I just mention the name of the image. So what happens here? HTML document will search for the image at this location. Right. So we don't have to mention the complete address for the image in img tag, image tag. Right. So we'll save this and we go to the document, HTML document. This is the document we have. Right. So this is about base tag. Next, we are going to see the style tag. So what is style tag used for inside head document? Style tag is used for defining internal styling for the document that is applied over the complete document. There are three types of styling, three ways you can apply styling. One is an internal style that is applied over the complete document. There is inline style that is applied over each tag. And there is an external style sheet that is attached to a document using the link tag. So within the head, we can create internal styling using the style tag. So how do we do this? Like what do we write here? We use inside head tag. We use the style tag. Inside head tag, we use the style tag. So in style tag, what do we write? We provide the selectors or what we call here this P. You can see this is a selector or what we call name of the tag. So there are different ways you can create. There is an ID selector, class selector, or HTML selector. Right. So right now we are using an HTML selector. So for example, if I create a paragraph, let's say in the paragraph should have color blue, whatever text is written there, it is in blue color. And let's say I want to set a background color, say pink. Then example. Right. So create a paragraph here. Apple headache keeps the doctor away. So when I refresh this, see now I am getting the blue color and background is in pink. So this is done using the style tag. This is done using style tag. Then what are other tags? There is script tag. So script tag is used for providing programming or client-side scripting over your HTML document. So how do we write the script tag inside head tag to provide the script? So mostly a common script that is used here is JavaScript, right? So let's assume I want to show some alert. Hello world is to program HTML. So when I reload the page, see I am getting this pop-up. Right. So this is done using script tag. Script tag is used to keep scripting. And what is the purpose of scripting? It is used to add dynamic elements to your web page or programming elements to your web page using JavaScript.